Get ready to discover 20 amazing tools packed with innovation, precision, and clever engineering. From powerful machines to brilliant inventions, these incredible creations will change the way you think about tools forever. The Glider 45 is a guide for precise bevel cutting of porcelain tiles, compatible with most 115 to 125 mm angle grinders. It provides vibration-free operation, adjustable dust extraction, and smooth sliding performance. It delivers accurate cuts while reducing the need for additional finishing work. The Veribor battery-powered suction lifter enables effortless lifting with automatic suction at the touch of a button. It can also be quickly swapped with a manual pump, allowing existing Veribor pump suction lifters to be upgraded in seconds for greater convenience and efficiency. Meet the blue Spruce Infill Mallet, a compact powerhouse with a 22-ounce steel cylinder head, resin-infused maple infill, and beautiful rosewood handle. It delivers impressive striking force and precision control, making woodworking, joinery, and assembly tasks smoother than ever. Small in size, big on performance. The Turbo Drilling Kit is a versatile 10-piece diamond tool, set designed for drilling, shaping, cutting, and polishing porcelain, ceramic, and stone. Its vacuum-brazed construction delivers fast, precise results with exceptional durability. One kit, countless possibilities, and far fewer headaches on tough materials. The STABILA LAX60G is a compact cross-line laser featuring green beam technology for bright, highly visible green lines up to 30 meters. Built for job site durability, it offers self-leveling accuracy, long battery life, and versatile mounting options for professional layout and alignment tasks. This 1/2-inch air impact wrench packs a massive 1,300 Newton-meters, 958 foot-pounds, of torque thanks to its twin hammer mechanism, making stubborn bolts surrender instantly. With a lightweight 2.2 kilogram design and 7,000 revolutions per minute free speed, it delivers serious power for automotive and industrial jobs without tiring your arms. This hydraulic log splitter delivers up to 7 tons of splitting force, making it ideal for processing hard firewood logs up to 520 millimeters long and 250 millimeters in diameter. Powered by a 2,300-watt electric motor, it offers efficient, reliable performance with a stable, low-vibration design. The Cruise V11 APEX is a powerful 4-in-1 cordless handheld vacuum featuring a 145-watt brushless motor and 17 kilopascal suction. With vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and vacuum sealing functions, plus 3 runtime modes and an LED display, it offers versatile cleaning and convenience in a compact design. This multifunctional cordless garden tool combines hedge trimming, pruning, and brush cutting in one versatile machine. Powered by dual 18-volt batteries and a brushless motor, it delivers strong performance, longer runtime, and the flexibility to tackle almost any garden task, like giving your yard a professional makeover without hiring a gardener. The TFP200 is a compact scarifier designed for small to medium surface preparation jobs. Its rigid steel chassis provides stability for removing coatings, leveling, and texturing concrete or steel surfaces. Updated safety features and improved controls make operation easier while maintaining reliable performance. The VAUGHAN Dead Blow Hammer features a steel shot-filled head that delivers powerful, low-rebound strikes, keeping every hit controlled and effective. Its replaceable nylon faces help protect surfaces from damage, making it perfect for woodworking, automotive repairs, and general maintenance, because sometimes a gentle touch needs serious power. The MasterCUT 76 is a compact diamond blade designed for 76mm angle grinders, delivering fast and precise cuts in porcelain, glass, and other hard materials. Its excellent maneuverability minimizes chipping and creates clean, smooth edges with little finishing required, making every cut look like it was done by a pro. The circular saw is a compact 125mm cordless circular saw powered by a 40V max XGT battery. It delivers powerful cutting performance with a maximum cutting depth of 47mm, flush cut capability, and 15 degrees left bevel cutting, making it ideal for precise woodworking applications. The QEP 49-inch bridge saw is a powerful tile saw designed for cutting ceramic, porcelain, stone, and large format slabs. Featuring a 1.8 horsepower plunging motor, sliding cutting head, and integrated water system, it delivers precise straight and angled cuts up to 45 degrees while ensuring smooth performance and easy portability. The RUNPOLIFTER is a foldable drum lifting system designed for easy transport and handling. Weighing just 22 kilograms per support plus an 11 kilogram shaft, it can safely lift drums up to 4,500 kilograms and 1,600 millimeters in diameter, featuring a durable stainless steel bearing system for secure operation. The Sunjo all-purpose electric pressure washer delivers up to 2,000 pounds per square inch and 1.7 gallons per minute for effective cleaning of cars, driveways, patios, decks, and more. Its lightweight design, multiple spray tips, and foam cannon provide versatile, hassle-free cleaning without the noise or maintenance of gas-powered models. This cordless caulking gun delivers over 250 kilograms of pushing force, making it ideal for high-viscosity sealants and adhesives. It features automatic pressure release to prevent dripping, an LED work light, quick reloading, and a durable construction for reliable long-term use. The Ego Power Plus NEXUS 1,400-watt portable power station delivers 1,400 watts of quiet, clean power wherever you need it. With multiple AC and USB ports, plus indoor and outdoor versatility, it's perfect for work, camping, or emergencies. Because power outages are a lot less scary when you bring your own electricity. The Makita Impact Wrench is a 40V max XGT cordless 1-inch impact wrench, delivering up to 3,150 Newton-meters of torque. Designed to replace air-powered models, it combines high power, excellent maneuverability, auto-stop modes, and advanced vibration control for heavy-duty fastening applications. The Sunjo Go Handheld Pruning Saw is a lightweight cordless tool powered by a 20-volt battery and a 560-watt motor. Featuring a 5-inch bar and 6-inch chain, it easily cuts branches up to 5 inches thick, making pruning, trimming, and yard maintenance quick and convenient. Thanks for watching our collection of 20 incredible tools. Hopefully you discovered a few gadgets that made you say, "I need this right now." Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing inventions, cutting-edge technology, and powerful tools that might just make your wallet nervous in our upcoming videos.